Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important things in English, the present tense. This is the tense you use every single day. When you talk about your routine, your habits, your likes, your truths, your simple facts, everything uses the present tense. The good news is the rules are simple once you understand the pattern. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to speak confidently about your daily life, your routines, and general truths. When students hear present tense, they often think it just means now. But actually it is much bigger. Present tense is used for daily routines, habits, permanent facts, general truths, repeated actions, and even scheduled events. For example, I wake up at 7, she drinks coffee, the sun rises in the east, we study English every day. Think of the present tense as the tense of your daily life, the one you use to describe what normally happens. Now let us look at the main rule. For I, you, we, and they, we just use the base verb. For he, she, and it, we add s or s. Examples are simple. I eat breakfast, they work at home, we play football, you learn English. But he eats breakfast, she works at home. It rains a lot here. Some verbs need s because they end with o, x, ch, sh, s, or z. Go becomes goes, watch becomes watches, wash becomes washes, fix becomes fixes. It is not difficult, you just need to practice a little to get it naturally. Some verbs change spelling too. If a verb ends with a consonant plus y, we change the y to es. Study becomes studies, try becomes tries, carry becomes carries. But if it ends with a vowel plus y, we just add s. Play becomes plays, enjoy becomes enjoys. After a few examples, this becomes automatic. Let us make this practical. For daily routines, I wake up at 6, she goes to school. For facts and truths, water boils at 100 degrees, dogs bark. For feelings, I like music, he loves cricket. For schedules, the bus leaves at 7 p.m., the movie starts at 9. For repeated actions, they play chess every weekend, she always forgets her keys. You see how the present tense shows what is normal, true, or happening regularly. Let us hear it in a conversation. Hey Ramesh, what time do you usually wake up? Around 6:30. My mom wakes me up. Haha, my alarm wakes me. Do you have breakfast at home? Yes, my dad cooks. He makes simple food. What about you? I usually eat outside. My office cafe opens early. Nice. How often do you exercise? I go to the gym 3 days a week. You? I play football every Sunday. It keeps me active. That is great. Do you study English every day? Yeah. I practice 20 minutes daily. It helps a lot. See how natural that conversation sounds and how they keep using present tense to talk about routines and habits. Now let us do a quick practice. I will say a subject and you say the correct verb form. He, go, to school. They, watch, movies every night. She, study, English. I, play, guitar. It, rain, a lot here. Say your answers out loud. Speaking is learning and this kind of practice helps you remember the rules naturally. You did amazing today. Now you know all the basic present tense rules. I, you, we, they use the base verb. He, she, it adds s or s. Daily habits, facts, routines, repeated actions, and truths all use present tense. This is one of the most important building blocks in English conversation. Keep practicing and it will become second nature. Great work today and I will see you in Unit 13.